Whether you just bought new Joy-Cons, switched consoles, or want to play in a different style, syncing them properly is key. Here's how to sync your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons with or without the Joy-Con grip. Let's get into it. Method 1. Sync wirelessly without grip. Use this if you're playing detached or syncing a controller not currently connected. On the home menu of your Nintendo Switch, go to Controllers, select Change Grip/Order. Now press and hold the small sync button on the top edge of the Joy-Con near the SL/SR buttons. Wait for the lights to start flashing. The Joy-Con will appear on screen once synced. Just press the L and R button on your controller a few times and it will sync the grip order. Method 2. Sync with the Joy-Con grip. If you're using the Joy-Con grip to make it feel like a traditional controller, first sync both Joy-Cons using the method above. Once they're synced, slide them into the Joy-Con grip. It works the same way you slide the Joy-Cons into your Nintendo Switch. In the grip, the system will treat them as one controller for gameplay. Now, remember that the Joy-Con grip itself doesn't have Bluetooth or a chip. It just holds both Joy-Cons. You need to pair the Joy-Cons first. Once synced, the Joy-Cons will auto-connect next time you use them. No need to repeat unless you're switching consoles or unpairing them. And that's how you sync Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons, whether you're using them separately or with the Joy-Con grip. If this video helped you out, then leave a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. And subscribe for more simple Switch tips. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.